The basic simple machine kits covers levers and pulleys. Students can investigate the three types of levers, discover the balance law formula for a lever, the mechanical advantage, as well as how simple and multiple pulleys can work in a system and how work can be calculated from a pulley. The apparatus comes with everything that you need. It has a long lever bar that fits onto a pivot clamp. It has another long bar that you can connect two pulleys to. It comes with a large support stand, a spring scale, two different hanging masses with slotted weights that you can take off, a ball of string, a hard copy of the activities, and also a CD that has a Word document and a PDF version of all the activities. One of the nice things about this setup is it comes with a wide range of masses for you to use. And I don't mean a lot of 100-gram masses, a lot of 50-gram. You have a few of each, but specifically you have a 1-gram mass, two 2-gram masses, and a 5-gram mass. So these allow you to get very precise when you're trying to bring a system into balance. With this support stand structure, students can investigate all three types of levers. Here is an example of a Class 1 lever. Here's an example of a Class 2 lever. And then here is a Class 3 lever. Students can also investigate the moment of force. This is commonly referred to as torque or twisting motion. It is when you have a pivot point and you have a force pushing down on one side or pulling up, and a force on the other side. I have thrown the system into chaos. I have changed two things. I've added a mass to the hanger on the right, and I moved the hanger on the left over one's position. Now I would challenge the students to try to bring this system back in equilibrium. Here's the system when it is all balanced out. And here's a close-up of all the little masses you had to add to bring the system into equilibrium. You can investigate a setup such as a simple pulley, or you can have them set up and see the advantages of a movable pulley, or you can set up a more complex pulley system. The Simple Machines Kit allows students to investigate levers, pulleys, mechanical advantage, and work. The activity guide takes you through all the basic steps for setting up a simple or complex pulley system, as well as the different lever laws. But you want to go beyond that and let the kids' imaginations loose and create something fantastic that isn't in the manual, something that's just out of their imagination.